Now we will create another game with a random module, and it will be guess the number. So we will generate random numbers between 1 and 3, so it means 1, 2 and 3, and after that we would like the visitor will guess the number. So visitor give us his guess, and we will compare if the guess is correct or if it isn't. So it means at first we will import random, okay, and we will print some welcome text like welcome to the guess the number game, okay, something like this. So and now we will generate the secret number, so secret number, and we will use the random which we imported here. So random dot rand int, it means integer, and we would like to generate the random number between 1 and 3, so it means 1, 2 or 3. So I will check it like this. We will print secret number, this variable. Now 2, 3, you can see that it's different. 2, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, we have 3 numbers. Great. So we can erase it. And now we will ask the user about his guess. So what is the secret number? So it will be input, and I will put here int because it will be integer. So the input will be something like guess a number between 1 and 3, or something like that. So and now if we have a secret number and we have a guess from the user, we can compare it. So if the guess is equal to secret number, print something like congratulations, you guessed the number, okay, because the secret number is the same like the guess, so it means that the user guessed the number. Else again print something like, I would like to use f string, sorry, the correct number was, and I would like to put here the secret number variable. So we need to show the user what the secret number was. Okay, so we can try. So I will run it. Guess a number between 1 and 3. So I will put here 2. Congratulations, you guessed the number. Oh, perfect. Again, I would guess 1. Sorry, the correct number was 3. Okay, that's bad. Guess a number between 1 and 3. 2. Oh, the correct number was 3. Okay. So now I hope now you understand how does it work. If you want, you can change it to the ternary operator like in the previous video, but I would stay with this if-else example, if-else statement. Okay, great. So I hope you understand how does it work.